price and selling price. So cost price, we purchase any one of the thing, and then we call it is costing price or cost price, and we sell it in the same manner. Instead of purchasing, we sell that object or thing, and that is called selling price. For example, let's take that is, if we purchase one car for 1 lakh rupee, that is called as cost price. Cost price is 1 lakh rupee. So at the same time, if we sell that car for some of the cost, like 90,000, we sold for 90,000 rupees, and we call the price as selling price. So always it is not same, that the cost price and selling price will not be the same. So sometimes it may be equal. So if the cost price of the thing or car is 1 lakh rupee, and selling price is selling price is 90,000. So if the cost price and selling price are equal, like we write in the short form, cost price as CP and selling price as SP. So the cost price and the selling price are same. Cost price is equals to selling price, so we don't get any loss or profit, because for the same cost we are selling it. We purchased for 1 lakh and we sold it for 1 lakh. There is no profit and there is no loss. In that case, there is CP is equals to SP. We don't get any profit or loss there. Here, let's take this example. This cost price is 1 lakh rupee and selling price is 90,000. Here we can observe that cost price is less. Cost price is greater than selling price. Cost price is greater than selling price, SP. So cost price is 1 lakh rupee and this is 90,000. So CP is greater than SP. That means we purchased the thing for 1 lakh rupee and we sold it for less cost. That means 10,000 rupees less we have sold it. So we got a loss here because we sold for less cost than the costing price, how much we purchased. So here we got a loss. In this situation, we'll get a loss. For example, this is the case 1. First case it can happen. And case 2, if cost price is 1 lakh rupee and selling price is 1,10,000, then so SP is greater than CP, so we'll get a gain, because we know that if we purchase for 1 lakh rupee and we sold it for 10,000 more, for more 10,000 rupees, that means we'll get a selling price, we'll get a profit, because we purchase for 1 lakh rupee and we added some amount to that. We sold it, we sold for extra amount, that is 1,10,000 rupees. So we got a 10,000 rupees profit. That means we'll get a gain of 10,000 rupees. So this is gain we call. And sometime case 3, this is what we have discussed earlier. Selling price and costing price is the same. So because selling price is, costing price is 1 lakh rupee and also we have sold it for 1 lakh rupees and both the cases are same, then we call this no gain or no loss, neither gain or no loss. And these 3 cases will happen when we purchase something or we do something business or any cases. So this is a concept about cost price and selling price. We have the formula, and we'll go for the next concept, that is profit and profit percent and loss percent. Just now we have discussed about the profit and the loss, profit and loss. This is gain is also called as profit. So let's find out profit percent and gain percent. So profit percent and loss percent. We know how to find out the percentage. It's calculated out of 100. Earlier we have discussed about it. So profit percent or loss percent. Profit percent is profit by CP into 100. We'll calculate out of CP, profit, and divide it by CP into 100, and we'll get profit percentage. So this is the profit percent. Gain percent, loss percent. Loss percent is equals to loss by CP into 100. So these are the formulae we use for loss percent and profit percent. And let's go to the next concept, that is mark price and discount. The cost of the things will be written on it. That is called as mark price, or printed on it, or as a tax or printed in supermarket we purchase, or anything we purchase it, and the tax they attach the tax for costing price, or they printed the cost on it. That is called mark price. And the list price means the seller or retailer, how much he is selling to it, how much cost he is going to sell it, or he sell it, that is called list price. And then sometimes the shopkeepers and retailers, they give some discount, they decrease some of the amount from the particular things for particular items. So that is how much they have decreased from particular thing, or the amount they have decreasing it, that is called discount. So for example, we have purchased one of the article for 500 rupees, and they were telling some of the discount they were giving, 100 rupees discount they have been giving. So that discount is decreased from the mark price, like 500 rupees minus 100 rupees, and the cost of the article will be getting for 400 rupees. So that is discount we call. So how much amount will be decreased from the article, that is called discount. So the discount will also find out in the percentage, like discount percentage is equals to discount by NP into 100 mark price. So discount percent, to find out the discount price, first discount is equals to selling price mark price minus selling price. Discount is equals to mark price minus selling price, and discount percentage is equals to, discount percentage is equals to discount by NP into 100. So these are the formula for discount. List price, as we know how much a retailer is going to sell it, that is called list price. And let's discuss about cost price, selling price, and profit and loss. Mark price, discount, and the list price. So previous class we have discussed about the formula and the concept about this all. And let's take some of the examples on this. Starting with the cost price, as we discussed earlier. If cost price is more than the selling price, we get a loss. If selling price is more than cost price, we'll be getting gain. So after that we can find out what is the profit percent and what is the loss percent for it. So let's find out the cost price, and of course let's find out the relation between cost price and selling price by taking some of the example. So let's think cost price of an article is 2,500 rupees and selling price of the article is 3,000 rupees. So cost price is 2,500 rupees and selling price is 3,000 rupees. Now we can observe that is SP is greater than CP. Here SP is greater, so SP is 3,000 and CP is 2,500. So what we can understand here, we get a gain because when SP is greater than CP, so gain is equals to SP minus CP. Selling price minus cost price, that is 3,000 minus 2,500, that is 500 is the gain. So in this manner we will find out the gain, and if it is loss, like when CP is greater than SP, we will be getting loss. Loss is CP minus SP because the loss CP will be greater, cost price will be greater than selling price. So we'll do this reverse process of it, CP minus SP, and then we get the answer for it. And then after getting loss or gain, and we need to find out the percentage for it. Let's find out for same problem. Let's find out profit percent for the same problem, or gain, profit or gain. It can be same, so we can call as profit or gain. So gain percent or profit percent. So gain percent is equals to, as we discussed earlier, is gain by CP into 100. Gain by CP into 100. So gain percent is gain by CP into 100. Gain is here, we know, that is 500 rupees. Let's take gain is 500 rupees divided by CP, cost price. What is the cost price? Is 2,500 rupees into 100. 100 we have taken because I can see it comes from the percentage. So we took 100 here. So let's do the cancellation. So two zeros will be cancelled. 5 table it is 5 times. We get 100 by 5, that is 20. So 20%. Gain percent is 20%. Gain we got, that is 500 rupees, and gain percent is 20%. So in this manner we will find out the profit percent, the loss percent, and profit and loss. If it is in this situation like SP is greater than CP, we get a gain, and this CP is greater than SP, we get a loss in the same process. Here we get a loss, and we use the formula of loss is equals to loss by CP into 100, and this is the situation. Let's take one example for mark price and discount. As we know, we'll purchase things from the market. The mark price, like what is the price is printed on the material or the thing, that is called mark price, and if the seller is going to give some discount on it, that means here they are going to reduce some of the amount from the price which is printed on it, and that is called discount. So for the mark price, if they decrease some of the amount, and we call this discount. So as earlier we have discussed about it. So if the mark price, let's take some of the example about this mark price and discount. If mark price is 2,000 rupees, let's take mark price is 2,000 rupees, and selling price is 1,500 rupees. Mark price is, we are naming it as NP, mark price in short form, we are writing it NP. So mark price is 2,000, SP is 1,500 rupees, as we know, because if they did reduce some of the amount from the mark price, we will call it as discount. So the difference between mark price and the selling price, what we are selling for that, or what the seller is selling to that item, is we'll find out the difference between mark price and selling price, and that is called as discount. So discount is equals to mark price minus selling price. Discount is mark price minus selling price. Mark price we know 2,000 rupees, minus selling price is 1,500. So discount is 500 rupees, as we know. got a discount here of 500. Easily you can understand 2000, 1500, and the difference between these two is 500 rupees. So we need to find out the discount. We found it, but how to find out the discount percent? Let's find out the discount percent. What is the percentage of discount they have given is, the formula for this is discount by say P200, discount by NP200, discount by NP, that is mark price into 100. So discount is, we know, that is 500 rupees. Let's write 500 by NP, mark price we know. Always discount percent will be calculated on mark price only. We should not take the selling price because we have sold it for a less cost, and we have subtracted the discount from it. There is no discount on the selling price after that. So we have calculated the percentage on mark price only, because from this number, from this value only we have subtracted that amount. That's the reason we will calculate the discount percent on NP. So discount by NP into 100. So discount is 500 rupees, NP is, we know, 2000 rupees into 100. So 2 zeros will be cancelled and 1 0 will be cancelled. So 5 into 10 divided by 2. So let's cancel this. 5 into 10 divided by 2. That is 2, and this 5 times will cancel. 5 into 5 is 25. So 25%. This is the 25%. We are solving the problems on mark price and discount. So we have taken NP is 2000 rupees, selling price is 1500, discount is NP minus SP, we know. Subtracted, we got 500, and discount percentage, discount by NP 200. So we have calculated and we got the answer of 25%. So discount percentage 25%. And this manner will apply the things and we'll apply this all the situations. This formula we apply in the situations like NP, and previously we have solved profit and loss percent in costing price and selling price, and the list price is nothing but just whatever the seller is printed on the article or the thing, that is called list price. So this is the concept about